welcome back to Sai SS Academy. This is me Ashwini Nair. Today I am here with the topic 3 of chapter 1st, class 9, French Revolution. If you are seeing my channel first time, please subscribe it, do watch it. Okay children, let us go through the chapter. The topic, France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. This is the third topic of the French Revolution of the chapter 1 of history, class 9. Okay, here we can see that the Louis XVI, he signed the constitution. He signed the constitution, and but after signing the constitution, he entered with the secret negotiations with the king of Prussia. Okay, why? Because this Louis XVI had signed the constitution under a big pressure. Okay, he doesn't like to sign the constitution, but he signed it because of the pressurize of the people, third estate people. Okay, so here he thought that his power was limited. Now his power was limited, and he, after signing this constitution, he entered with the secret negotiations with the king of Prussia. Okay, and we can see that the rulers of this Prussia and Austria were also worried. Okay, because they thought that the people of the France, they revolted against the king Louis XVI, and they seized many things. If the people of this Austria and Prussia did the same thing, what will happen? Okay, so the scene of this France made them worried. Understand? So they thought that to help this Louis XVI, they thought to send the army to help the Louis XVI again to gain the power. But this National Assembly, okay, the National Assembly, before this could happen, the National Assembly voted in April 1792, declared a war against this Austria and Prussia. They foreseen all these things and they declared the war against this Austria and Prussia. Okay, here we can see that a lot of people, a huge number of people joined this army, and they sang the patriotic song Marseillaise. Okay, Marseillaise was the patriotic song. Marseillaise was like our Vande Mataram, that when the international movement happened in India, these people, Indian people sang this song Vande Mataram like that. Marseillaise was also a national song, and at that time it was a patriotic song, and it was sung by this huge number of people who joined in this army. Okay, and this Marseillaise, it was written by the Roget de Lille. Who is it? Roget de Lille. He wrote this poem Marseillaise. Now we can see that this Marseillaise is the national anthem of France. Understand? Okay, our next topic is the Jacobins Club. Okay, Jacobins Club, that means the Constitution of 1791 gave political rights to the richer sections of the society. This Constitution gave only right for the political rights for only the richer sections of the society. But here we can see a lot of this clubs came into being. Okay, a lot of clubs came into being, and among that clubs, one of the club was very successful, and its name was Jacobins Club. Okay, the members of the Jacobins Club, they thought about how to run the government and what is the government's plan and policies. Okay, and here we can see that these members of this Jacobins clubs are mainly from the less prosperous section. Okay, and other thing is that this Jacobins club got its name from the former convent of the Paris, Saint Jacob. Next we can see the leader of this Jacobin club was the Maximilien Robespierre. He was a very powerful ruler. Okay, this Maximilien Robespierre was a very powerful ruler. And other thing that these Jacobin members, they decided to wear the striped trousers. They decided to wear the striped trousers because at that time the nobles, they wore this knee breeches. Knee breeches means short trousers. Okay, so and these Jacobins members, they proclaimed the end of the power wielded by this knee breeches. Okay, and because of wearing these striped trousers, the Jacobins came to known as the sans-culottes. Sans-culottes. Okay, sans-culottes means those without knee breeches. Sans-culottes means those without knee breeches. Okay, in the summer of 1792, due to the short supplies at the high prices of the food, these Jacobins, they planned to revolt. Okay, the Jacobins planned to revolt, and they stormed the palace of the Tuileries. They stormed the palace of the Tuileries, and what did they do there? They massacred the king's guards and held the king as hostage. Okay, so here what happened means the National Assembly voted to imprison the royal family. In order of all these things, the National Assembly voted to imprison the royal family, and the royal family was imprisoned now. After that, the elections were held. Okay, the elections were held. Now we can see that the other important change is that men above 21 years, regardless wealth, have the right to vote now. Before, what was the condition? Yes, before that was the men, those who have this above 25 years, they need to have the 25 years older, and at least they have to pay the tax of 3 days wages. It was the condition before. Now it was changed. Now all the men above 21 years have the right to vote regardless the wealth. Okay, the newly elected assembly was called a convention. Okay, the newly elected assembly was called a convention, and on 21st September 1792, this newly elected assembly abolished monarchy and declared France as republic. Okay, so here we can see that this newly elected assembly, it abolished monarchy from France and declared France as a republic. Okay, so here the next important thing is that Louis XVI was sentenced to death. We told that this royal family was imprisoned, no? So this, after the elections, the assembly decided to sentence this Louis XVI to death, and on 21st January this Louis XVI was executed publicly, and his queen was there, Mary Antoinette, and the same fate she also met later. Okay, so that was the end of the Louis XVI, and we can see that now the France became a republic. That is the topic I took today. Hope all of you understand, and if you have any doubt or suggestions, please comment. I will reply for that. And other thing, always I am saying to you, please subscribe my channel and do watch it. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you soon with another video. Take care. Bye bye.